Like right about now, I have planned to hide the passport. But she's not going to open. Open this drawer. Whoa, snack galore. What will you choose?
Sugar.
This one? Really?
You know exactly what I want.
Skittles. You choose Skittles?
I didn't say it too.
Good morning, guys. Today is what? Today is Saturday. So Vanessa's been here a couple days. She's been here since Wednesday. We're both in the kitchen doing different things. I'm here making the frosting for Aiden's cake, and Vanessa is making some saltfish fritters and eggs for breakfast. And it's like both of us, we cook and we bake, and it's like this morning things just been happening. And it's like, is it the first time I'm making buttercream or what? Because certain things are unacceptable going on here. But
Sweet enough.
oh my god.
For salty and savory.
Yeah, so we just been vibing. So far, what have we done? Yesterday was like the first full day of like going out on the road. Vanessa was we went to like the supermarket because we had to buy stuff for like for Aiden's party tomorrow. Vanessa, at this point I don't know how much cup of powdered sugar in this.
Just wing it.
Swear to God.
Are we Jamaican? When I use measurement cup, you know. Listen, as a Jamaican, if you want, you know you're a Jamaican without saying a Jamaican, you don't use no measurement cup.
Measure with
Just throw the things in there.
Jesus, please. You know, I'm generally like that, you know, but you see when it comes on to baking, if I'm following a recipe, I don't like, you know, do my own thing. But I don't have no choice this morning. We're here. Vanessa went to like the Japanese, you know, the basic stores that I usually go to, Daiso, the supermarket.
Went to the post office.
Went to the, even the post office, like real regular local life. You know, so it's been fun. How was that for you?
That was good.
You like seeing that side of
course.
Japan.
Just to see what's the difference, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
How the places look different than, you know? Yeah. That was good. And boy, the people in my create a piece of excitement.
Oh my god. You guys, like I told Vanessa, you know,
The first day,
I said when she came, I said, this ear what you have?
I got your attention.
This red hair that you have is gonna draw so much attention to you, especially where I live, because I am not in Tokyo where the, you know, your typical hot girls are. And they are going to go crazy over your hair. And say so, finish. We went into a family mart, you guys, and the old woman in there, so going there. Whoa! Whatever.
Excitement.
She was asking like if Vanessa got it done here in Japan and if it's a real hair and just all sort of things. The saltfish fritters. Tastes good, man.
Look at your recipe, guys. Look at your recipe. Look at your ingredients. And then after that,
and then now, after we were coming from the post office, we were walking and we passed two foreign girls. And we just knew. We just knew they were staring at Vanessa's hair. So Vanessa now take off her little tam.
And get sick.
Vanessa take off the tam so the girls could have a good proper look, you know, like look now, see it here. And when we passed, we could just feel eyes on our backs. But anyway, we continued walking, and then when we reached a certain point, to our surprise, was the two girls that we passed. They literally ran to catch us up back, just to tell Vanessa that her hair is very nice, and they're into it. And the worst part is, well, not the worst, the best part is, they spoke English. Apparently they're like some church volunteers or something, so they're like in Kumagaya City volunteering. So I speak English, and apparently they live in the same ward that I live in. Where I live is very big. They just moved here, so they're like, we can be friends. And I'm like, you know me guys, like my life has been deprived of friendships, so it's like I'm ready to be friends with anybody who speaks English at this point. So we exchange contacts and stuff, but what I'm saying is that they followed us. And I even said to Vanessa, like when we left, like when we said our goodbyes and stuff, I said to Vanessa, like they're not following us, so that means they literally ran to come tell us that her hair looks good. So yeah, so that happened, and then because of the whole abaluno with taking off the cap and all of that, Vanessa got sick because it was raining a little bit.
Yeah.
And you know, some people just get sick more easier than some, like me. Little rain no bother me, but like maybe for Vanessa.
And little rain no bother me, I'm not sicky
Yeah, maybe,
but maybe try different.
Yeah, different. And then it's so cold already outside, and you know used to that. Yeah.
Right.
Vanessa is a Floridian, and you know Florida is basically Jamaica, and you know.
Right.
So
that little.
the rain plus the cold, like you know, your body still adjusts to like what's going on in Japan.
Because I was in warm clothes too, so my body was hot.
Right. So yeah, she like by the time we got in the house, her voice was completely gone. We have been trying to remedy that with like throat spray, multi-symptom that
taste bad remedy. Adam give me, knock me off.
Yeah, and I made a concoction, and it was like the worst. And you know, we're just trying to like remedy. Today on the agenda, we're going to Tokyo Skytree later. I do have my classes this morning, so in that time when I'm teaching, they are going to like run errands on the road. We have a few things because Vanessa bought me some housewarming gifts that I have not shown you guys yet, but I will. One particular one of them like literally has stressed me out, but we're gonna try to get that fixed this morning. And then they're gonna go to the post office again because I did leave my umbrella in there. And then they're going to take Aiden out to play for a few minutes. And then by the time I wrap up my classes, we're leaving out for Tokyo Skytree at about 1:30. I don't know, the aim is to reach back by 6:30, but I doubt that is going to happen, to be honest. You know, just because driving is new to Vanessa in Japan, like we might have a few hiccups along the way and stuff like that. She's the driver, me or Adam can't drive, so I am not positive that we'll reach back in time for my 6:30 class, which is fine.
You will. We have to leave Tokyo Skytree early. She'll come back for her class.
We'll see.
Business before pleasure.
That's true.
More enjoy the rest of my vacation so I have to make more money so that you can carry me a little more.
I know, right? So that's the plan. And then later is gonna be a busy night because we're party prepping. Tomorrow is Aiden's birthday party, so we have 3 layers of cake to bake. I have 24 cupcakes to make, and we'll have the balloon and the decorations to put up. So tonight is gonna be a very long night. But just hope Vanessa sleep good last night, because we not sleep tonight.
Okay, I'm gonna wake up bright and early this morning, feeling festive.
She wake up from 5 o'clock this morning. Well, like me and Adam, we were passed out. And yeah, it's gonna be a long night. So yeah, you guys, that's what we're up to. That's what we've been up to. She went to Dice, so she loved it. Yes.
I'm going back actually because I gotta bring some stuff home.
Yeah, she's gonna buy some of her Dyson stuff and bring home. It was really nice. So that's what we've been up to. The next week is going to be our like festive week. You know, we have we fully booked on our little itinerary that we lay down one night and we just alright. Let's do this. And you're not gonna believe this. Like one of the nights or maybe two of the nights, I'll be outside at night. What? I'll be outside at the karaoke bar with my sister singing my throat out and drinking something nice. Okay? Okay? So who is this? Like mom? Out at door past 8? Sis, you ready for this? I have not been outside late hours since college. Okay. And that is like 6 years ago, 6-7 years ago.
Okay. Are you
so
ready
like,
for this?
Me ready? Me ready? You ready?
You ready?
You never see party me yet, you know.
I can't wait to see party. My sister party girl, you know.
Yes.
I can't wait to see
Yes,
party.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Gonna turn up out the fire.
Yep.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Same way, so yeah. I always talk about online how my college years was really fun. Like honestly, I'd visit my college lifetime 1 or 2 days or maybe a week. College days man was like actual school, you know. Really like boarders life, like living on campus and like weekend and a party. That's like, you know, I'm definitely in a different phase and stage of my life and I'm not like a party girl anymore. But I know how to party and I can have a good time. And every once in a while it's okay to allow yourself to have a good time.
That is right.
You know, so.
And the time is now.
Yeah, especially because like, oh my god, I've lived in Japan 5 years. I've never had family here. The past 2 years after becoming a mom has been like so difficult physically, mentally, emotionally. Like my mental health honestly needed my sister. It needed somebody here and I'm just so happy that it's my sister and like I feel so much better like in my headspace. I feel so much better. I feel happy.
I'm feeling good too.
Yeah.
We are thinking about external the stay, guys.
Of course, yeah. I choose you know.
My husband I go back.
I choose you know. Like right about now, I've planned to hide the passport.
I don't care what choice.
Oh my god! You know? So
you looking at the passport and she said, like I guess now until whatever month, February 2024. So hear me, what is this? We can stay up here a year? Here she. I should know what nobody can stay more than 3 months. I don't want you 3 months, girl. She said, no, so we know better.
I know better.
But you must so excited, but
yeah. So yeah, so visitors can stay 3 months, you know, without penalties. And I think that's 6 months in the US, no so?
Yes. But them claims so with no penalty, but you can stay 6 months or close to 6 months, them watch you.
Eh? Like you need to come out?
Yes.
What?
Or them give you a hard time when you're coming back the next time. Them tell you that you can stay 6 months. But if you do stay 6 months, when you do travel again, them question you, them this, them that. Yeah, interrogation.
And one thing, you know, I 100% despise American Customs, TSA, all of them, you know?
Yeah, man,
I don't like them.
Them too, discuss them too
I don't
much.
like them. Like I've only been to US like a couple of times, like just passing through TSA and they were
Too much.
horrible. I didn't like my experience in them at all. But yeah, we thought Vanessa had like, we thought Japan granted her like to stay for a year and I was like, yes please. And then we later find out that it's 3 months and I'm like, you know, like, me know better, you know, like, me know nobody can stay here past 3 months without like resident status. And, but you know, like, a part of me just does not want her. Like I know she has to go back. She has her husband, you know, whatever, her life there. But it's just been so nice. So nice. And guys, Vanessa has been holding it down. Like you'd think she did here a long time. Like she downloaded Google Translate on her phone and the other day, I think day before yesterday, we had to leave the house for the entire day. So she was here by herself. And she hold it down, like she did laundry, she folded my laundry, she hung out clothes, she collected my deliveries, she spoke to the delivery man, like I'm like
to be nice,
yeah,
guys.
like she just come in and it's not like a situation where like, you know, she doesn't want to do anything. Like she's here, she's washing dishes, she has sweep the floor, she even wiped down a couple cabinets that I have not been able to get to since I moved in. And it's just been good, you know. So I'm so happy you're here. Fritters. Alright guys, so I'm gonna just hop off here so that I can have space to film the rest of the day. Alright, so I'll see you in a jiff. Alright, this is us. Hi sis. Driver seat. Alright. Alright, we're heading out. Hey guys, we made it outside. So the last time you saw us, we were baking, we were in the kitchen. So since then I have completed my classes and we exchanged the vacuum successfully. So we got a new vacuum and we're outside. So right now we're heading to Tokyo Skytree. We're going to the observatory, taking sis to, you know, like at least one of the main Tokyo landmarks in the area. And yeah, she's around the steering wheel because of course she has to be the driver. What I mean, like sis come from Florida. Slight right, so over here, so. So sis come from Florida and she's like driving on Japanese streets, like we follow Japanese roadsides. I mean, man, I don't know if Adam is, but I am like, you know, taking notes because we still live this life. Like I serve a God that answers prayers, especially in this season that we're in and coming out of. We have really seen miracles of God, so we're praying for a car, and we just know that we're going to get a car at some point, hopefully soon. So yeah, it feels nice. It feels nice to like be going to somewhere and not be like on the train, you know. It's yeah, the Oslo, but like it's really nice, and you know we can chill out, we can chat, we throw all of the cockroaches in the car back, and you don't have a bag and pan, you know, I run to platform and this and that. So it's really nice. So yeah, that's basically the plan for today. Say hey sis. Alright, how you feel on the Japanese streets?
I feel better as the days goes by, I get more comfortable.
Yeah.
Doing good.
Yeah, do you think, sis?
Thank you.
Adam is at the back with Aiden. Aiden is kind of being a daddy's boy this morning. I don't know, like he's screaming at everything and everybody. So Adam is around there. Aiden. It not show you. Aiden, say hi.
Focus on Shirley right now.
That's why I carry the whole bag instead of like one or two, because I know him like the biscuit them.
I'm going to run through one pack and I'm going to get through this.
What?
Say hi, Adam. Hi. How you feel?
Feeling good.
Feel good?
Yeah.
Car nice, not true? Yeah. Alright, you guys, so we are, oh my god, this is bright.
Lighting good?
Yeah, lighting bad. Well, bad as in epic, you know. So yeah, we're on our way. I'm going to be showing like B-rolls and stuff of like this side of like I guess driving, because you know it's a different scenery than when you're taking the trains. But then also majority, well not majority, but a lot of you who watch my stuff actually drive in Japan, so because y'all have your license, so you can do that stuff. But regardless, I'm gonna like get you some B-roll shots of what's happening on our side, and yeah, I'll speak to you when we have
More things
going on. Okay? All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys. See you later.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense.
I can see anything. But we're in the vicinity.
But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you.
Guys, we are here. We're at Sky. Like we not even can see. Like see the top there. Like we're at Skytree. Good body GPS took us right to parking, so that is great. You know you're driving with Auntie? If I drive up behind, you know. What's up?
Perfect.
You know, beep, 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 beep.
No, it's what it is.
Press. Press, press, press. Press. Yeesh. Alright.
Good job. Alright, let's go.
So, family,
Ready, let's go. Come
we're
on.
out here. We're going in.
Doesn't like your bag.
You like my bag? Thank you. This is Vanessa in Japan. Hey girl.
I want it. Aiden. I want it, Adam.
What? You want
Bag.
it? Which bag? Something nice?
Adam bag.
No, I want it.
She want to carry it. Vanessa is a helper, you know see? You can't make helpers stop helping, no matter how you try.
Okay, turn it one down. Oh, I can't take a picture.
Yeah, you can.
I got something. My t-shirt.
May I go cancel?
You know, I can't start.
May I go cancel in a minute? Everybody and them parents and grandparents and grandchildren and great-grandchildren and great-great-grandchildren decided that today was the day. I know. To come to Skytree. Why? Maybe because I even the weekend too. What's really happening is that apparently there's this big event happening tonight at Skytree, so it's like super crowded and there are no tickets. We couldn't get tickets for like the three of us for like an early time, so the earliest time was 5:30 for the three of us. So now we have a little bit of time, so we tried to go to the aquarium that's on the same place and we decided not to. So we're gonna try to get some food and hopefully like rent a stroller because we left the stroller and Aiden wants to sleep, so I'm gonna try to rent a stroller. Hopefully he can take a short nap and that's gonna be it.
50 seconds, right? 50 seconds?
Less than a minute.
Fast?
We got 350.
Fast?
Welcome to Tokyo Skytree today. This elevator will go up and table deck floor 350 in about 50 seconds. This elevator design is inspired by winter in Japan. Thank you for your attention.
Winter in Japan. Perfect.
Perfect time. I rehearsed that line there, you know. So she don't know no more English.
Alright, don't tear my ears. Don't tear off my ears.
I will. That this is?
I know.
Yeah.
Yes. Guys, this is like one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. What? That's true. Guys, this is. Oh my god, guys. That's where we were.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Beautiful, right there. Look at it. Oh my goodness.
Train.
Is it a train move?
Mm-hmm. You see?
No, no.
That the camera does not do the view any justice at all. Because, yeah, it just looks like a bunch of bright lights, but it's amazing, the view.